Collision mitigation system junction turning. To enable the system to detect an approaching vehicle in junction turning scenarios, the vehicle driving speed must be between 10 to 30 km per hour and oncoming vehicle should be clearly visible and moving in the speed range of 30 km per hour to 70 km per hour. To detect an approaching vehicle in situations where there is a risk of a collision, that approaching vehicle must be within detection range and host vehicle must be in left lane making a right turn with the right turn indicator on. When system has applied the brakes, a pop-up message will be displayed as automatic emergency braking completed. Warning: the automatic braking will cease under the following conditions.